What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
$20,000, that's the value that they would, receive. That's the value that they would see. Wow. These people are paying me a premium, right? I have clients that are CEOs, business owners, stuff like that.
Bruh.
Because they know my credentials, because they were referred by somebody that has
Are you
credentials.
kidding me?
I'm not putting out there. And another thing is this. A lot of these credit repair people on Google, not to like hate on them or anything, but they really don't have any credentials. They're not that intelligent. They're really good at the YouTube mechanism of marketing, but in terms of credit repair, they're just verbatim copy and pasting what they read in the book of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? So
video, the doctor of credit. This is what my clients call me.
Man, what the hell?
And there's a reason why people call me the doctor of credit, for multiple reasons. My behavior, my personality.
Bruh.
Stop the cap.
Scatterbrain alert.
And just the type of the results they get, and then what you can expect along this process of fixing your credit. If you want to get fast results, that's fine. But not everything is going to happen overnight or even close to it.
Scatterbrain alert.
Follow the instructions from the doctor. What is a doctor?
What in the holy hell?
A doctor is a position of authority. Doctors are called doctors because over years and years of practice of people before them that had tremendous success.
Man, what the hell?
It's amazing that people still trust you to fix their credit. It's also amazing that clients will trust you when you treat them with respect. My clients respect me, and they trust me because I genuinely want to help them. Without the respect of the people, Andre, you are nothing, and we are everything credit.